Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we change a picture in Microsoft Excel. So to exchange a picture, what we're gonna do is first select the picture that you want to change. For example, I'm gonna change this one. And after selecting, this new tab will be created by the name of format. Just click on that. And then you have to click on this change picture which is present in adjust group. After clicking, two options will be there, like where you wanna get the picture. So I'll select from the file and I'll select the picture from my file and click insert. Now just after clicking insert, you can see the previous picture is removed. On the same position the new picture is imported. So this way you can change the picture guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.